Hello guys, I want to share with you this short video on how to activate the chat head of your Messenger app. Using this Cubot KingKong Power, a like would be appreciated if you like this video and sending love for subscribing to our channel. Just open your Messenger. Click the left icon at the very top. Click setting icon and scroll down and look for bubbles. Here you can select from all conversations can bubble or selected only or none, that means off. And that's all for this video. Thank you and my appreciation is yours for reaching this part of this video. See you on our next videos.